gonna tape it upside down. It'll make it. Can you see me? Do I look cool?
I'm not looking because it's hurting my eyes. Jump. Do that again. That looks so cool. Do it one more time.
No, I can't. I'm tired. Cut off picture. You doing something?
No.
Here, I'm gonna videotape
that button. That.
Say hello to the camera, Austin.
This is my head. This is my butt.
Woohoo!
Oh, you're stupid.
Hey, Dot.
What if Mom and Dad both want to be a party? Baby, chocolate, the butt here.
Tony, shut up, you idiot. No, I'm not. Yes, you are.
No, I'm not. You are. No, I'm not. No, I'm not. No, I'm not.
Megan, catch it. No, I'm not done. Hang on. Y'all jump, okay?
Quit jumping. We'll do something. No, I'm not gonna. Please stop and do something.
Do a backflip or something, Austin.
He doesn't know how. Do one. I'll show you my front handspring if Austin gets to the side. I'll go to the
Can
side.
you see it now? No, Austin, let go.
Austin, come on. I got to the side. Stop jumping. You stopped now. I know, and then I stopped. Now stop.
Oh, Megan,
Megan, stop jumping. Watch me
Okay,
get
here.
my handspring. Austin, get the side, please. Yeah.
You jumped from rabbit. No, I didn't know to see it.
Yeah, you'll bounce me.
Oh, quit fighting.
Tell him to stop jumping.
Oh. Austin, quit jumping. Hey, don't call each other names now.
Well, I'm not going to do it because he's such a butthole.
Well, you just don't.
Watch your English, Cody. Oh, shut up.
Cody, you're on camera, you know. What if your parents want to watch this or something?
Can I sit down, Megan?
No, Austin, let go.
I'm not going to cuss because my parents may watch it.
The new lawnmower.
What?
Said the new lawnmower.
Megan. Beep. You beep. You beep. You little beep.
Say hello to the camera.
Hello, I'm still here. I'm magazine.
I like. Hey, tall.
Dylan, say hello to the camera.
Oh, Dylan, come on. You're more charismatic than that.
Come on, man.
Yeah.
Tell us
Come on, Dylan.
Say
show some
hi.
personality. Sing for us, honey. Sing.
Yeah, Dylan, sing that one song you were singing the other day by Shania Twain.
Turn the camera on.
Stupid.
Say, hola, Megan, mi gato. Hola, Megan, mi gato.
Well, let me make the screen bigger. Red button again.
Now look.
Yeah, okay.
I got him in See? I get Conchita!
Where is... Gosh, what? It's not...
Well, where is she? I get Conchita! I was just checking. My goodness. Oh, Mom, cut it with Sandy.
Let's see the cat.
I was joking. On the camera. I was joking, Mom. Oh,
Let's see the kitty.
and why would you do the twist?
Yep.
Do the twist.
Stand well. Stand well.
Megan.
I'm doing a tour guide of your
The
house.
kitty wants to do the twist for you.
It's already done the twist.
No, he wants to do it again. Okay. Here I go. Go, James.